In this episode, I will show you the 4 best landing gears for DJI Mini 3 Pro in 2022. Before proceeding to the video, subscribe to my channel for future updates. Let's get started. On number 1 we have Yeteeth landing gear. The landing gear specially designed for DJI Mini 3 Pro and fits the drone perfectly, effectively increases the distance between the drone bottom and the ground by 21 millimeters above the dirt, sand, grass, etc. allow to land stably and protect the drone body, gimbal camera, battery to avoid damages when landing. This landing gear is made of durable ABS material and weigh only 11 grams. Won't affect the Mini 3 Pro flying. Foldable design saves space for storage, compact and easy to carry, easy to install, won't damage the drone. On number 2 we have Judunmsk landing gear. DJI Mini 3 Pro landing gear, specially designed for DJI Mini 3 Pro drone. After installation, Mavic Mini 2 landing gear effectively increases the height by 26 millimeters, which is enough to protect the drone body and gimbal. New quick-release folding design, easy to disassemble, easy to carry after folding. The design is suitable for various scenarios, and the maximum lightweight design is achieved. Landing gear will not affect the drone's fly, and it can even be put in pocket. Made of ABS material, it is firm and not easy to deform. The widening and heightening design makes the DJI Mini 3 Pro drone take off and land more smoothly, effectively protecting the gimbal and body. On number 3 we have StartRC landing gear. The landing legs is specially designed for DJI Mini 3 Pro drones. The landing gear effectively increases the distance between the Mini 3 Pro and the ground by 15 millimeters to prevent damaging the gimbal when the Mini 3 Pro is taking off or landing. Foldable design, compact and easy to carry. Lightweight design will not bring too much burden to your Mavic Mini 3 Pro. High-strength plastic injection from the complete mold, strong and durable. On number 4 we have GNORU landing gear. GNORU landing gear specifically designed for DJI Mini 3 Pro and DJI Mini 3 Pro Smart Controller. Perfect fit that making your flying experience more leisurely. 3 cm more higher height extension than others, which protects the drone body, tripod head, camera and battery to avoid damages when landing, increasing the distance between the drone bottom and the ground, avoiding the direct contact with the dirt, sand, grass, rocks and debris, etc. ABS. Lightweight design, not creating heavy loading for the drone. Foldable design, very easy to install or remove. So these are some of the best landing gears for DJI Mini 3 Pro in 2022. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for future updates.